everyone, and welcome to my channel, Ola Jo, the Crocheting Sailor, and I wanted to come to you today to do a review on this Lion brand yarn, Hometown USA. This is, the colorway is Salem Creek. I thought this was very beautiful. It's a bulky, super bulky 6 yarn. The recommended hook size is a 9mm hook. It is machine wash and dry. And the weight is 4 ounces, 113 grams. It's 64 yards and 59 meters. This is very heavy. It's a pretty weighty piece. I put a little pom-pom on top. Stretch it out a bit so you all can see it. You can barely see the holes in it, but it works up really nicely, and you'll see in just a moment. I'm using a 10mm hook on this hat here. The Hometown USA yarn, and it works up very nicely. You can get a hat done in no time. I'm working in the third loop for this particular hat. This yarn is very soft, so easy to work with. And I'm so glad that I purchased this. Kept seeing it on the shelves, but I never took the opportunity to think about what project I would do with this type of yarn. So I decided that I would do a hat with it, and I would figure out what the pattern would be later on. Okay, I wanted to let you all know that I used 1 ball plus a little bit of the second ball of this yarn. And if you wanted to make this hat or one similar, you need to get 2 balls of yarn. And I wanted to make sure that I came back on to let you all know so you would be ready to do your project.